Hi guys, good morning. All right. So this morning we're we're preparing to have our newborn shoots, and the little man has had his bath, and we're waiting for our my husband's assistant. I'm waiting for my husband's assistant to come so that we can start the shoot. So I'll try as much as possible to see if I can film any part of the process. My baby has had his bath and I've breastfed him. He's sleeping right now, so I'm going to have my bath and I'll do very simple makeup so that I look presentable for the shoot. Right now, I'm momming. I'm really momming and I've not really had enough time to take care of myself, but we are coming up by God's grace. So you guys, take. I think this is the part where you take your popcorn and your drink, sit down, relax, and watch. All right. See you in the next frame. Bye. We had devotion this morning, and Grandma was the one who was leading us in prayers this particular morning. So, guys, the shoot has started, and I'll try and see if I can film the other parts because see my hair is already scattered because I have to breastfeed my baby. We've done the first set and I did remember to shoot that part. But while they are doing the other part, I'll definitely try. I'll try to what's the word now? I'll try to film it. I'm just appreciating God's beauty in my life. Like it's not easy to be a fine babe. I mean so this was me trying to wrap my baby in preparation for the shoot where my husband was going to take his pictures. So it's not like I'm an expert in wrapping. So I had to like watch videos and check out posts on Pinterest to have an idea of how to get this done. So I just did the best that I could. I didn't cry, it's such a big like the third time during this. I can say that the spirits will stay happy. People know so. Shout out to the best photographer in the world, my darling husband. Daddy, you were for president.